Look at that sprouting in the mango. I mean, in the
You
papaya.
can see where all the roots were.
Yeah. Look at that. It's actually stuck to the fruit of it.
I think it needs your delicate hands.
Look it out. It actually sprout. That's one tree sprouting. That is the first. And you have to literally pull out. Whoa, check it, the root. You have to pull out the root. This is going to be a powerful papaya. The root went in. Yeah, now we have to grow them. And look, check that out when it's totally together. Okay. We talk about hundreds of seeds. The best thing is to get the skin out too. It's stuck to the fruit. The seed literally stuck to the fruit. That is amazing. That's the
That
first.
seed is like barren. It doesn't want to come out.
Doesn't want to come out. Check it out. The root. Look at the root. Growing in the papaya. Wow. Check. Have you seen this, guys? If you did, like, subscribe, and comment for more, okay? If you see this.